let's look at a few more items that I would recommend for my clients after liposuction and facelift. So facelift specifically. This is what I couldn't show you last time. It's called Crosslinq. It is available on Amazon. This is what the package looks like. There's large ones and small ones. So this I would put if someone had neck liposuction and there was a little bit of chunkiness here. So I would put it where half of it was on the neck and half of it is on the chin, just right like that. I usually have the client standing and then facing forward so their neck is in a relaxed position, and then the little bandage gets put on with no pressure, and then just as they're doing everyday neck movements, this can help. And kind of the same theory as we would use with kinesio tape type theory, which is it stretches, the skin stretching helps to reduce the swelling, and then a little bit of the movement can help to reduce the little beginning of fibrosis in that chin liposuction. So I like Crosslinq. I will also put it if someone has a facelift at the 1 and 2 week mark and they just find that their neck is very, it hurts because they have to hold their face a certain way. They have to lie 30 degrees on 2 pillows at night. It can have a lot of neck pain. If they can localize, if they can point with their finger and push in and say it hurts, right there. I have just found, and I do it for my dentist too, who has not had surgery, if they can point and feel right where the pain is, put a Crosslinq on top of it with no stretch, and then as they're moving the head throughout the day, the bandage is kind of giving a little bit of resistance, and then that helps to reduce the neck pain as well. So that's Crosslinq. And then these are 2 face cleaners. So the brand really doesn't matter. I don't think they are from off of Amazon. And then this is the brand for the other face cleaner. So these are they're USB ports on the back, and you charge them up and then they vibrate. I don't know if you can hear or see that, but it's vibrating. I like this one more for the face. I feel like it's more intuitive, and it fits in well. And then the vibration, you can really feel the vibration. So I would have clients use this. I'm going to give this one, clean this one, and then give it to a client and see what she says. But this is a good, safe way to give a dose of vibration for the client to give themselves a dose of the vibration at home. And it doubles as its real job is that it helps to put lotion on, and it helps them to wash their face. So this is something that you could use, the client can use afterwards. It's both of them are under $20. And so I like this, using it on myself. I'll see if the client likes it too. We'll see if she brings it back. I'll say, if you bring it back to me, that's okay, and let me know. But if you don't bring it back to me because you keep on forgetting it at home, then I'll know it really works. And this is the other one. It's supposed to be a facial cleaner. As you can see, there's more square footage, and it's on both sides. So I would like to use this. I would like to recommend it for a client to wash on their body. If they've had liposuction on the body, to use this in the shower as something that they can help to apply the soap with, and they'll give themselves a few minutes of vibration in the time right after surgery when they are in their compression garment 23 hours a day and they don't have much time to do, self-massage and vibration. This might be something that they can incorporate into their shower. I think it would also be a little bit exfoliating, so that's good. We see a lot of dry skin. And then able to, if they then massaged in the lotion with this as well. And one of the unique things that I really like is how it kind of intuitively fits into the axilla. So if someone had just liposuction, I'm not talking about a client with a cancer history here, if they just had liposuction, and if they had liposuction of the upper flank, This might be something really in liposuction of the arm, the inner arm, where they're having some swelling. This might be something that they could use both in the shower and when they had their garment on, to just add a little bit of extra vibration. The other tools that I have are much larger. Let me bring this one out. So this is the other tool, the vibration tool that I use, and it's much larger, it's heavier. I would use this. I tried using it on a client for several clients earlier on within the first 2-3 weeks after their abdomen liposuction, and they all said this is a lot of vibration. It was really affecting them. So an interesting use for this might be, and this is a good tip if you have a client that bought one of these massage guns, or like a big massager, and they want to use it on themselves and it's just really too powerful. They could use it if they've had arm liposuction, where they turn it on so it's vibrating, and then they can just hold it and you see how it would vibrate the arm. So not using it on the arm, just holding it in both arms and letting the vibration go through the arm itself from the hand to give the dose of vibration to the arms when they can't actually put the machine. It's far too powerful, you know, and they feel pain or some kind of increased sensation when they actually put it on their arm. It might be easy to just use it as a vibration machine and then get the vibration through the hands, especially if they've also had in the first couple days any kind of swelling in the hands. That might be a nice way to help to reduce the swelling there. So this is my tips. So my tip would be, this might be a good option for the body of the client, for the underarms of the client after liposuction. This, I think, is going to be something I recommend to most all of my clients. And then there's several different, that you can make it faster, you can make it slower. I think there's 5 speeds on it. So according to what the client feels is best. And then they can just use it. It's a real gentle vibration. It's made to be used every day, you know, as part of the facial routine anyways, in a healthy person. And then just show them, and then again, you can use it in the first 2 weeks to a month. I wouldn't use it before 2 weeks. Let's just use the MLD. At 2 weeks to a month to afterwards, I would use it if they don't have any, fat transfer to the face. So we don't want any vibration if there's fat transfer to the face. Once the 3-4 weeks has passed since fat transfer to the face, they can definitely use it, and then just have them massage the lotion on that they want to massage using those lymphatic massage strokes that we learned and we know, just to help the vibration go down and help the swelling be assisted by the vibration to move through the lymphatic pathways, through the lymphatic channels to drain the face. So this is my new and exciting toy that I just got today, and I'm really excited about, and I will show a client it later this week and we'll see what she says. All right, have a good day.